DRT3500 series is the true representation of customizable value. With beautiful flames, exceptional heating efficiency, and a choice of optional features, the DRT3500 series will give your home a fireplace with a personal signature touch. The heart of this beautiful fireplace is its fire presentation. Tall, vibrant flames, highly detailed log set on a bar grate. Choose from 4 distinctive liners to complement your decor. The DRT3500 series is available in 3 popular sizes. Each fireplace comes standard with energy-saving electronic ignition with seamless battery backup to provide continued operation in the event of a power outage. Also included is a factory-installed blower with 6 speed settings to fine-tune your heating needs. To set the perfect mood, we've included adjustable interior illumination lights with 6 distinctive settings. The DRT3500 is not simply beautiful to look at, it's also a powerful heater. A standard full-function remote control makes operating your fireplace a snap. It controls flame, blower, lighting, and has a thermostat setting. Standard ceramic glass enclosure creates optimal heat transfer. The standard barrier meets 2015 safety requirements. Versatile, efficient, affordable. The DRT3500 series is value without compromise.